Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming back with this week's new releases. I am super excited about this week's releases. We have kind of like some super cool kits. I'm pretty excited about them. I'm sorry this video is up a little late. I had a crazy travel home yesterday and it took a lot longer than expected. Otherwise I would have had this up yesterday like I mentioned to you guys, but like I said, it was wild, so it'll be up today. Tuesday. I don't know what day of the week it is. Let's go over this week's wiggle first. This week's wiggle is the white with the silver foil. I think that I have one more after this, and then we're going to be switching the wiggles up a little bit. But this one is super nice because it's super neutral. So it is the bottom washi, the icons, the flags and bows, the date covers, and then also the headers. And this will be available from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern for $10, and then after that it goes up to the regular wiggle pricing. That is also the time period for unlimited stock on our new release sticker kits. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the other foil packs. I've been bringing back older foil packs to the shop. I only have a couple left to bring back. So this one is the matte sticker paper with the matte marble with the rose gold. And then we do have the black with the sparkly hollow. This was a wiggle. And then we have the sparkly rainbow. I think that's what we call it, right? Sparkly rainbow? Rainbow sparkle. And this is the twinkle version. And then we also have this really pretty pink hollow, which is really a beautiful one, especially like without the studio lights. It's that like perfect like pink hollow sparkle. Love that. I also have two foil releases for this week. I totally forgot to release these. So we do have the bow corners with our little simple bow on there, super cute, in all 4 foils. And then we do have this. This is a travel bucket list, but I'm gonna call it a mini travel bucket list because I do have a larger one coming. I ordered this and it was a little bit smaller than I expected. So instead of just ditching it, I thought maybe for mini planners, it would be a good size. And honestly, if you wanted to use this, it's not like wild one. Like let's say the 6 days till vacation, you could just put like a sticker next to it. Let me see if you can see. Let's put it next to the blue. See, it's not like wildly small, but it's smaller than I wanted it to be. So I'm just gonna call this mini. Available in all 4 foils. Then we have some kits this week. The first one here is called Love Potion, which this art came out last week. It does also come in a mini kit. All of the kits come in mini this week. My throat still hurts a little bit, so I'm breathing funny. That's kind of where I'm at. And this art is so pretty. So you have gorgeous colors in this kit. Like, let me show you on the, I'm used to the ombre being the second here. So pretty. You have the faux gold sparkle throughout. So let's look at the front boxes here. You have 2 different fashion girls. So cute. I love this fashion girl. I think she's so pretty. You double box scene, a bunch of different elements in there. You got your marbles, so you could bring in marble multicolor if you wanted to. You have your deco page, a bunch of other functional items, your extra full box. I love these so much. I love the colors. They remind me of Valentine's Day kit from I think 2 years ago. So pretty. This spread is going to look so fabulous with gold foil, or you could even do, what is that one called? Champagne lights mixed with gold. I did that for my gender reveal week in my planner, which if you guys didn't see, I did post on Life with Dra, the little reveal, but I didn't post like my spread. That'll come soon. I would have had a video up on Friday, but I talked about the gender and I didn't have the picture yet. So that is the bottom washi, which like, come on, this bottom washi is so cute. You do have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. You have the option to add on the label sampler. You have the option to add on the glitter headers. This would be a perfect Valentine's Day kit, by the way. Like, so cute. And then you do have these fashion girl / couples. So dang cute. So you have the kind of like matching skin tone ones and then one that's mixed. Obviously, there'd be a million skin tone options if I did them all, just like if I do the regular couples. But I thought that these were super dang cute. And then they all just have the pastel hair to keep it simple. And then you do have the munchkin heads as the little freebie there. So that is Love Potion. Such a gorgeous kit. So romantic, but has those witchy vibes, which are super trendy. Love that. Then I have some art that came out last year that I didn't use, but I did get a custom scene done for it. So I think it kind of like adds to it and gives it own special pizzazz. So this is called Cherry. And something cool, I don't know if you'll notice, but I did it on a couple of kits and I was like, this is so fun. Let me show you. It does also come in a mini kit, of course. Is I did like a gradient on the top. I don't know if you're able to see, but it's like darker and then lighter. But I'm here for it. So you have your two fashion girls here. This one's taking a picture of the Eiffel Tower. This one's like just blowing a bubble. You have some different elements in here. And then you have the double box, which like I said, is exclusive art there. You have your ombre art checklists. So this one has like a pinkish, reddish, kind of like mixed pink and red faux glitter throughout, which is super fun. But I feel like you could honestly pull in pretty much any foil color to this and it would be so pretty. Oh, let me see, actually this one might be pretty with it. Yeah, that could be really cute actually, so love that. A red foil would be really pretty with your extra full box here. Little things, headers, deco and functional, and then your bottom washi. Do have the option to add on the 15mm strip. Do have the option to add on the glitter headers. And you do have the option to add on the label sampler. And then, of course, it comes with your Munchkin head. Baby. So that is Cherry, which will be available this Wednesday at noon Eastern as well. And then last but not least, we do have an exclusive collection, which I am super excited about because this was highly requested. So, and I think it turned out beautiful. The request was something I was like, great. But I think it came out stunning. Like, I was amazed, and it's so beautiful. Look at this kit. So this is called Game Day, and I kind of wanted to do something. I know a lot of people like to use sports kits for like weekly games and things like that, but also Super Bowl, I thought it'd be really fun. And the biggest request this year for the Super Bowl was to do a non-pink, like a non-like traditional girly color kit. And I was like, oh boy. But I think that these colors turned out perfect for like football, like green like the grass, brown like the football, like in neutrals. Like I just think it really works. So you have your two girls here, so dang cute. This one has SPC on her shirt, this one says Game Day. I love all of these boxes. I just think they're so fun. I really like the food. I love the TV. Like it just even looks really good. I'm a fan of all of this. I just think it's so dang cute. I think depending on like how my kids line up, I'm supposed to go to my friend Brie who like loves football, like stupid loves football, for a week after, like a couple weeks after she has her baby. And I might use this for the week I'm there just because like she loves football. So it's just so pretty. Like I love it. Like I was just amazed at how cute it turned out. You do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. You have the option if you want to add on the label sampler, and then you have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. Nick just came in and I was like, I'm filming. So that is Game Day, and I just think it's so pretty. Like I honestly was very scared of a football kit that was like classic kind of like football-y colors. Obviously it's not going to match everyone's team colors. That is another thing that would be absolutely impossible to do. But I think it's really cute, and I think it just kind of screams football. So I'm a fan, and I'm not a fan of football. So I think it's cute. And all the black too. I just think it's kind of really modern. Again, I think this would be really pretty. You could do gold. I think it would pop. But I think silver would be really pretty as well. Also, mixed metal moment could be on the table. This one also would be really pretty as a mixed metal moment. Just say. Just say. Actually, even this one, I think I was doing this on the way to New York. Emily said it would be a really pretty mixed metal moment. There's lots of options here for the foil this week. So y'all have some hard decisions to make. So again, this will all be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. We do have the special wiggle pack. This one here, the white with silver, that will be on sale for $10 until Friday at noon Eastern. Our new release stickers are unlimited stock for 48 hours, so till Friday at noon Eastern. If you're a mini kit user, that is the time to pick them up. Last week, I think 2 of the mini kits sold out in that time, and I think the other one is really low stock. So that is everything for this week's new releases. I hope that you guys like them, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.